Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this exact file, and their nudge factor is set on 6 inches. But what they want to do is to interlock these rings where it looks like it's going in and out of the ring. So I'm going to take away the outline or take away the color and give it outline. Whoop. So we don't have a full ring. Well, let's do this. Let's go back and let's convert these objects to outlines to an object, and then we can left click, right click. So what he's trying to do, and it's a pretty good idea, is to take the Smart Fill tool and set it on just green, and it's the top one, and we're going to go here, 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 but then we're going to skip this one, and we're going to skip that one, and we're going to skip that one, and we're going to fill in the colors. We're going to go ahead and almost complete it. Blue, and then we're going to skip that one. So what he's doing, he's just making it look like, and I'm not faulting him. It's a pretty valid idea, but there will be some problems with this. Hopefully when I show him. So now we're going with red. I'm just doing the exact same thing, but I'm skipping that. So it's going to look like it's going behind there. And it's a pretty good way to do it. And then you just take if you're going to make the color of the objects black. But the reason I don't like this, well, I didn't say I don't like it. The reason there might be a problem, and we're going to look at it closer when we do. It's a good idea. It's a valid point, but that's what he's telling me he's doing. But if you look right here, I can see the line. Even if we take the whole thing and right click, no outline. And I must have, well, see the line on the black? You're not going to get rid of that. Well, you could, but it's going to take a while. So I made an exact copy of his item. And I've done several videos on this, and we're going to draw a rectangle. We're actually going to go ahead and do all 3 of them. Just put a rectangle and move them around. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure that you have white on all 4 corners. Then we're actually going to take our ribbon and we're going to move it to the front. Okay. Now we're going to take our box, shift select your ribbon and go intersect, and then move that down. Box, shift select ribbon, intersect, move it down. This, to me, 1, is less keystrokes, but 2, I don't think we're going to have those lines. So I'm shift selecting the ribbon. And if you had a lot to do with these, we could even make a hotkey for intersect. But you have to shift select the ribbon and intersect and go down here. And we'll actually move it back. Now I'm going to take away the boxes. And an easy way to take away the boxes is just select them and hit delete, because I wasn't selecting everything else. Now let's zoom in here. Let's take the ribbon now and go to Object, Order, Front of Page. No, excuse me. That's what I had. Object, Order, Back of Page. So it looks like it's behind, but now if we take all these and just nudge them back up, now it looks like it's intersect and there's no lines whatsoever. You can see some dots right now because I'm selected on it, but that's interwoven ribbon, I guess is what I'm going to call this video. And you could do that over and over and over and over and over. Matter of fact, you could do this right here, Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and move that ribbon right there. And now you have continuous over ribbon. I mean, and you can't see any lines. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.